Cedarwood oil is one of the most timeless and sought-after ingredients in our fragrance industry. At Berger, most of our American cedarwood oil is produced here in Texas, wild harvested from the area. These forests stretch from Texas to Virginia, representing a massive portion of U.S. forests. The Texas Hill Country alone has approximately 10 million acres of cedar trees. As one of the most sustainable and environmentally friendly essential oils in our industry, its wide variety of applications and all-season availability has earned cedarwood oil a reputation for extreme versatility. But to truly understand the heart of cedarwood oil, we must first take a look at how the product is made.
Texas and Virginia cedar trees grow wild across most of the southern United States. The tree regrows naturally without the need for formalized planting operation. In fact, cedar is typically seen as a pest, and landowners and farmers go to great lengths to minimize its aggressive spread. As part of this effort, we work with the land managers to provide a service to the local community by clearing these properties and improving the health of the land.
Berger, in our 3-decade-long partnership with Texarome that goes back even to our grandfathers, uses the collected wood and stumps to produce our cedarwood oil. A selection of the wood collected is used for local fence posting or furniture use, but no systemic logging of cedar trees takes place for oil production. In fact, less than 1% of available cedar material is harvested each year. The tree is simply too abundant and grows too quickly for the region.
Oil production begins and ends here. Texarome is currently in our 3rd generation of family ownership with a heritage of distillation that dates back to the 1940s. Since then, we've expanded into a multinational organization with 6 separate distillation facilities, as well as 3 rectification units. The heartwood of the tree is steam distilled into a dark and viscous material known as cedarwood oil Texas crude. This material has a sweet and pleasant odor with a good balance of woody and tar-like notes that make it incredibly tenacious while maintaining a balanced and uniform dry down.
From there, the crude oil can be transformed into cedarwood oil Texas redistilled, undergoing a process that removes its strong color and viscosity. The resulting oil is fresh, clean, and sweet, with a woody note, almost reminiscent of fresh pencil shavings. Cedarwood oil is often fractionated during this process as well, producing the front terpenes, cedrine, or the back fractions, cedrol liquid, or further purified into cedrol crystals and other derivatives. Texarome also produces cedarwood oil virginiana, which is similarly abundant throughout the region. The aroma of the virginiana cedarwood oil has a unique oily quality that's initially sweet and balsamic, though the odor quickly becomes dry and woody over time. American cedarwood oil has so many applications within fragrance. It's one of the most enduring ingredients for woody perfumery, though its reach is much more extensive.
Because the trees are wild harvested from surrounding forests, the material contains no pesticides, fungicides, or herbicides, or other agricultural residues. Most of our material comes from local ranchers who discard the wood after clearing their fields that lie within 100 miles of our Texas facility, where we can process over 70 tons a day. The entire process is 100% natural from start to finish, using no chemicals or solvents other than water, which is recycled from the process.
Berger's position as a global leader with cedarwood allows us to offer a variety of customer-specific qualities with consistency and reliability. We are the largest global supplier and stockist of cedarwood oil and its derivatives. Our direct investment into plant expansions and supply chain improvements continue to support our presence here in the region.
Texarome supports generations of family-owned businesses working together to reach a more sustainable future through our green manufacturing practices. To keep up with global demand and recent challenges, we have worked closely with our partners to establish additional distillation facilities within the sustainable growing region. So the supply is out there, and we're continuing to focus on expanding and refining our operations.
The Berger Group and our family of other partner companies will continue to cultivate these generations of traditional distillation processes, respecting the history, as well as cultivating new markets. Our presence in the southern United States will continue to grow so we can provide the market with the natural oils and derivatives that is needed.